At VectorVest, we favour stocks that are undervalued. We secondly favour stocks that have a safe earnings history, and we favour stocks that are going up. And to that end, we put together 3 proprietary indicators that measure value, safety, and trend. The first one's called relative value. And relative value, every evening, the computer values every stock in the South African database. And immediately you can tell whether that the stock is trading undervalued or overvalued. And in addition to that, we look at the earnings flow of that company over the next 2 years, and we compare that to what you would get from a safe government bond. Everything in VectorVest runs between 0 and 2. Above 1, if your relative value is above 1, then the probabilities are that your investment will safely outperform the returns of a government bond. If it's less than 1, why would you in fact want to have an investment where the probabilities favour a return of less than a risk-free government bond? The second proprietary indicator is called RS, and it measures the safety and the predictability of the earnings. An RS above 1, and the earnings are very predictable. The further above 1, the better. And the third thing is RT, which is a measure of the strength and the direction of the trend. Again, above 1, the trend is up, and the further above 1, the better. We put those measures together into one master indicator, which is called VST, value, safety, and trend. And as a default, your computer will scan through the database and pull out the stocks that have the highest VST. This is where the winners are. So every evening, VectorVest will value each stock in the database. It will, in fact, give you a stop loss for each stock in the database. And it will scan through the database to find the winners as defined by value, safety, and trend. Now, we want to find undervalued stocks with safe earnings history that are going up, and we want to buy those into a general market that's going up. And to that end, VectorVest every evening will give you an indication of the long-term trend, and it will give you an indication of the short-term trend. And on the front page of VectorVest, it will tell you what those trends are, and immediately you can see if we're in a situation where we've got what we call an up-up day, where the short-term trend is up and the long-term trend is up, or the worst case would be a down-down day, where the short-term trend is down and the long-term trend is down, and that's a day that we wouldn't want to be buying shares. The position of the general market is summed up on the front page of VectorVest, which looks like the front page of a newspaper. So simply, we want to find shares that are undervalued, shares that are safe, shares that are trending up the page, and we want to buy those in an environment where the general market is going up. Again, if you want to see how this is all done on a practical basis, we have seminars running around the country on Saturday afternoons. If you check on VectorVest.co.za, there should be one close to you.